I gladly release all stress and negativity from my entire precious being and life, easily and effortlessly. Peace, gentleness, and soothing calmness flow blissfully through marvelous me at every moment, allowing my wonderful body, intelligent mind, and gracious soul to be content in every way. Goodness, generosity, and kindness are wonderfully attracted to me because I am a good, generous, and kind person, and I thoroughly enjoy giving and receiving goodness in every aspect of my prosperous life. I enjoy letting go of stress, anger, and disappointment because it is my free choice to be a happy, content, and better person, and to improve my already successful life, and to make smarter and wiser decisions in every situation that I encounter. I always do my very best and easily give 100% in every positive challenge. And I accept my personal best to be all that is ever needed, and that is perfectly okay. I am grateful for who I am. Each day I lovingly find some alone time to gather my creative and prosperous thoughts, to confidently focus on my positive goals, and to enjoy some abundant, magical dreams. I love and accept my special self just the way the incredible universe created me. I always try to be my good and unique self today, and I gently let my precious and worthy feelings wander free, and I allow my valuable self to be expressed successfully and effortlessly. I graciously start fresh and clean with each new glorious day, because each special day is a generous gift that I gratefully enjoy to the fullest. Thank you that I am alive today. My keen mind easily finds a place of nourishing solitude whenever needed, where I feel truly safe and lovingly protected. All of the healthy, active muscles in my beautiful body are releasing the tension and negativity from the day, letting healthy me be completely at ease and comfortable. I believe in my worthy and special self wholeheartedly, and I possess a gentle and nurturing confidence that always guides me in the right and truly best and highest direction for me. Thank you for that. The best and the highest surrounds me, protects me, and flows throughout my entire wonderful being and life at every moment. I have a healthy respect for myself, and I respect the beautiful world all around, and I humbly respect every good person in it. I enjoy being humble and easily let go of my ego, which allows my loving heart to guide me at all times. And I try to be kind and loving to myself and to everyone I encounter. I am a remarkable part in making the universe marvelous and complete. I am unique and one of a kind, and I love myself for who I am. Every day, I give and receive all of the good things that help make me a happier, better, and more prosperous person. I grow younger, healthier, happier, and more beautiful every day. There is a healing, protective light that flows throughout my entire wonderful being, filling me with clean, healthy, and loving energy at every moment. Love, kindness, and goodness protect me and guide me in every situation at every moment. I am worthy of receiving true love, joyful happiness, great success, terrific health, and gentle peace in every aspect of my life. Thank you for all of the beautiful moments that make me a stronger, wiser, healthier, happier, and more successful individual in every way. The best and the highest comes to me continuously and fills my entire prosperous life with precious and wealthy gifts that lift me to infinite heights. I am capable of achieving every good, fruitful, and nurturing goal that I set my mind to. The wonderful opportunities are abundantly limitless to me and are ready for me to take whenever my grateful self chooses. I am ready, open, and free. Let's go for it. Thank you for my precious life. I attract abundant success today, and good things come to me easily and effortlessly. Love is always on my side and always lives in my forgiving and generous heart. I choose to live happily and love to surround myself with winners. And I gladly respect everything and everyone I see. And in return, I am respected and am showered with goodwill and peaceful kindness. I am fully aware of many great things I want to achieve today. And whether they be large or small goals, each is something that makes me feel special and complete. I accept and believe that I am worthy of receiving all of these good positive gifts. Thank you for all of the beauty that already exists in my wonderful life. I try to savor each delicious moment and allow its wonderful magic to flow throughout my senses and emotions. I am free to experience all of my worthy and good feelings, letting them bless me with joy and contentment. Everyone, including myself, deserves to be happy and fulfilled, and it is my divine right to receive the absolute best and the absolute highest in every aspect of my blessed life. I accept and believe this completely. Thank you for that. And thank you for the best and the highest that flows throughout my entire gorgeous being and saturates every single aspect of my life. I attract love easily and effortlessly wherever I am, and I welcome love into my life and enjoy it passionately. I allow loving energy to permeate every part of my lovely body, and I know that I am dearly loved. Love is a natural part of my life, and I embrace it and enjoy the beautiful moment. Love always finds me and touches my heart throughout the whole day. I like and accept myself just the way I am, and I am a special and lovely creation. Thank you